stuff organized right here. I don't know. What's the battery on that?
I don't know how to tell. I don't remember how to turn it on without recording.
It's probably good.
But it's recording.
Oh.
So it's like right there?
Yeah, and just follow it all the way back.
What the hell? How do I know if I'm hitting the thing?
We can see it.
Yeah, we can see it. You're good.
Don't bend the blade.
I mean, you can tap it. I mean, you can. Just don't. Just can't cut through it.
You need to just hold it down and go, though.
Yeah, if you just go full power and just let it rip.
I feel like I'm hitting the thing. Well, then pull to the left.
I mean, you're against the side. You're on the side of it.
Yeah, you're fine.
But you're not cutting it, so you're good.
Get
But
ready.
you need to just full throttle though.
Yeah. There you go.
I feel like I'm on that, bro.
You're good, dude. I'm telling you, if you hit it, I can fix it in like 20 minutes.
Is...
No, you wouldn't be able to cut through it.
Yeah, you can't cut through it. You'll just be...
You'd scratch the side. You can scratch the side.
Oh, okay.
And now just go up the other side.
As we take this time, though, I would like to give the shout out of the day to Tyler Cruz. Congratulations.
The one
You're
guy.
probably watching this from the couch with the blanket and pillow.
Yeah. Spent a lot of time out there.
Caitlin still loves you, though. Just remember.
Dude, just go at it at full force. Now peel her up.
Yes, sir.
Should just rip right up.
Oh, yeah. What? You need to replace this thing.
There you go. Perfect. So yeah, you didn't even hit it all once.
You might need to recut this side, though.
It looks like there's some fiberglass there.
Hmm?
That's fiberglass.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Killed.
I just angle. This is the guy that was just cutting it. Justin's finally in a video. There's Anthony. Jack Harlow.
I guess you explain what you're doing with the cables there?
I don't know. My grandfather taught me this technique. They taught it in ancient Europe.
Why would you do that?
So they don't pull apart when you're
Okay.
tugging on it, yeah.
Okay.
Little tips. Tips with daddy is what we call that signal.
Tips with that.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and check the depth. That depth
Way too deep.
looks about perfect. A little bit of a weird angle.
Very aggressive recording style. I'll just like throw it out there.
I just wondering what the man with cartridges inside the camera. You have what? What, you turned it off? Oh no, you didn't.
Bush dog here.
That sawdust is good for the eyes.
Nice grip.
Sure is. Nice little piece. Good. Go ahead and smile.
Oh god.
Justin, go hold it for the camera.
Look at it. It's all wet down there.
Soaked. That's why we're doing this. Now we measure. So you can go ahead and hit the top button, Caleb.
Got the big ones now, yes sir. Wow. We just camera's right through all that blockage. That's what we do. That's what we do. 6 months out of video and now we're back. All that blockage, that was fun. Hey Caleb, give him a feel real quick.
See if Caleb knows how to use a tape measure. A taper measure?
You want to hold that?
It doesn't have to be exact. We're going to go a little bit bigger. Do like an inch.
You want to go a little bit bigger?
Yeah, I'll probably do an inch or two. So 54.
It makes all the difference. So 54 on each side.
You put that on the bottom part right here, down.
Yeah. And then
It came up to 54?
yeah, so it'd be
put
like 55 on
50,
each side.
56. And then...
Yeah, you don't need to measure that, bud. I say you
Wait, yeah.
Okay, let's say about 21.
It's at 21?
It's at 20 and a half.
Like 22 and a half.
No, 20 and a half. 20 and a half.
22 then. Alright, I'll get that one.
21 exactly. And then the part right by the console. So do 22 on that part. No, yeah, right here. Right here for, oh yeah, no. That looks about 16 and a half, so we got 17.
Is that 16 and a half?
16 and a half, yeah. Let's see if that's the same. Well, no, that is close to 18.
Yeah, so it kind of expands out.
Yeah, it definitely expands out.
And then what is from there to that corner?
30, yeah, about 32.
So are there any of these angles that we can't fix later on?
I mean, as we go.
Yeah, like if we cut everything big.
Alright, Ant, let's get the video going.
Go ahead and
Make sure you take a video of the reference list. Go get the goggles for you.
You know what?
need a respirator, Justin, or you good?
Actually, I probably should have respirators.
A lot of people around.
No, make sure it's 10 people. Yeah, move it, you have to move it anyway. Yeah, maybe the sawhorse off, because you're coming to it. Oh, no. ever saw me cut more of this off, for that long side that's not gonna fit, that's where we're at now, just to make it fit. You could honestly just lay that down and then just cut around this. I mean, well, okay, so we gotta take an inch or two on that side. Whatever cut is just on that side now. Not 2 inches. Where do you take this off? Over here. Oh, you didn't miss that cut. No, you what cut? Right there. Oh, yeah. It's like a, okay, it's almost fiberglass and wood mix. That's what it is. Where's the... Oh, what a respirator. Because we're still wide on these sides, right? So they're all the way back over here. No, that's the back as far as the... But yeah, we have to cut this, Justin. What do we cut that right there? How you cut fiberglass? How do you cut saws in there? The saw I use is a fit right there. Yeah, because as a... Yeah, use a handsaw. That won't cut that, right? Yeah, you need something like a hammer just nail the screwdriver.
There's more?
Alright, bro.
There's mine now?
Alright, bro. He gets off at 3:30, doesn't he?
Oh.
I just bought.
Right size?
Yeah, we measured it.
What, bro? Oh, Cody will help you. Just stuff like this.
All the way
like
down into
built
the bottom.
flat
That's
house.
a fat ass head, no?
I think
Wait, before you cut, Justin, did you measure and leave? Did you leave room to put the bottom board underneath it?
yeah, I put the bottom down there first,
Okay.
and then put it on. You want to test that piece first before? That's it. We also need that bottom piece.
with us?
This one?
Yeah. Just to see.
Last thing I'm inside.
Where's the wood?
Your fiance, because I think I already asked you this. I think I asked you this, I don't remember if I did. You have like.
There we go.
And then we just do sections of this.
Wait,
So I do like
the whole thing?
because you don't because it's not gonna cover from the front to the back. Or these are gonna be like front, middle.
How
back.
big? Like this big?
So like, yeah, just
Yeah.
into 3.
It doesn't have to be like specific sizes.
Nice saw. It's a good thing you helped yourself to it.
You got the screws?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you find your screws?
Sure did. A lot of
Yeah,
them.
you might want to do it down here first.
Oh, where'd you find all those?
Good to me. You want to do it all on tape?
Like that. And then we're gonna turn this around. And
Hold on.
attach that
Where's the Sharpie
to
at?
that.
They're all marking. Hey, Anthony, is the Sharpie in there?
No, this-
Why do you need a Sharpie?
We can mark a hole.
Why do you need to mark a hole? Just drill it in.
Right there.
Do you need a hole for everything? You know, a whole thing for everything? Come on, man.
I'm good at
Drill it right in.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Watch your language.
I ain't cuss. Bitch.
Oh,
Look at Justin, he's sitting there. Are you getting that fiberglass on, dude?
Someone's not getting a fresh merch.
Is that your knee from Tampa?
Yeah,
You're still kind of bad, huh?
You remember when it was green?
Alright, I'll go right.
Right through Cody's finger. Yes, sir. Woo! Hey, which way's the drill going? What's up?
Looks like it's going in.
Yeah, it's going in. Just hold it a little bit until it gets in, and then you let go.
Cool.
Yeah.
You gotta push it.
Yeah, now you can let go and go. You got your shirt shredded.
You done stripped it now.
We're almost there.
He stripped the hell out of it.
There we go.
You sound like Afghanistan around here, dog.
How is that?
Perfect, dude.
Nah. Yeah, we need to do both of these.
If you use this drill, it
And
won't
this,
do that.
We're just gonna put that. We're gonna put these like in different sections of that.
Dude's sitting there welding.
He's making them rings, boy.
Hey, look, the job got done. That's all that needs to be said, you know?
Could have probably done a little more, but
Real good.
No, it's not too big of a deal.
Coming along, boys. It's coming along.
you're gonna get a new carpet.
Yeah, I already got a new carpet.
Where's that?
Over there. You said the next thing should not use too
This
much.
thing. Go, take the video with it, go.
No.
That's sneak peek. That's a sneak peek.
Listen, you get it to bite and then just drill hell hard in.
It's kind of hard when you got callousy fingers.
Put the fucking screws down.
Justin's gonna make this
I'll tell you when to
editing
give it pressure.
process an absolute nightmare.
You can give it pressure.
Oh, there it goes. We already started.
Probably need a better drill bit anyway.
There you go.
Do we have enough of those to use for the actual piece itself? It'd be really nice if we could find a way to set them in there and then screw it in just through the top.
Make sure it's like this. Make sure it's in line
I'm
with
just
this.
pushing it in.
Okay, your thing is 8 though. A little bit.
Okay, see.
Here, Cody.
Let's figure it out. Dude, why is these
battle
the
that
bits?
account?
Crappy bit.
Justin, it's a shitty bit. It's gonna be
Brian. Here, Cody. So Tyler didn't get off till 3?
He told us 2 o'clock.
He did tell us 2 yesterday.
Look, now he's gonna, oh, they asked me to stay an extra 2 hours. I'll just meet y'all there.
That's what he should do. I don't
Going
know.
to the town center to walk around?
I'm down. After we finish this weekend.
Go get a piece of it.
Justin,
Yes, sir.
Justin getting a PC.
Hey, he said it himself. Hey, you got that on 4K.
Yes, sir.
Let's see.
Or just go hard on it, Cody.
If the Microsoft store is open, I guarantee you'll get one today.
Let's see. I already looked. I could pay $80 a month for a year and I have it paid off. $1,000 PC.
It's not bad.
You're going the wrong way, Cody.
No, I'm going the right way now.
We're buying $800 PC by $200 monitor.
Maybe it's the screws that are.
$80 a month for a year. I think I can make it happen. Sell the Xbox.
Way we can.
That's what I'd say. I'd be like,
We
where?
already have it fit in, so put it on the ground.
I was,
Oh yeah, we can apply some pressure. Oh, we can apply some
Set it up
pressure.
here. Yeah, set it up here.
all right, guys. So I got out here, fiberglass. It wasn't the most solid thing. Kind of praying that the fiberglass will get in here and reinforce it, but who knows? I'll let you know tomorrow when I walk on it and break it. And then you'll see us next week redoing it. Better luck next time.
Alright, so this is the day after we recorded the video, and I went out and checked on the fiberglass. It rained all last night, so I was a little worried it wasn't going to harden or anything, but it did. And after walking on it, I found that the center part is actually very sturdy. And there's a few places where I should have put a cinder block on it, like on the side, because the board did bow up a little bit. But the plan is for this week is I might post like a little 5-minute video of me just sanding the fiberglass down, re-putting some more fiberglass, because the fiberglass job was not good by any means. And I underestimated how much fiberglass I was going to need, so I did not have enough resin. So what I'm going to have to do is go to Home Depot, get some more resin, maybe a little bit more fiberglass, sand down all the high spots, the air bubbles, which there weren't really many air bubbles because of the way that I did everything through a bunch of separate pieces of cloth, which is what I learned from doing the old boat. But I think once I get in there and I do that, it'll all come together. And if this thing doesn't work and it falls through again, I have some marine plywood that's like 3 times as thick that I'm going to use to patch the hole. And the carpet will just have to be a little uneven on my feet. But yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. And the only other thing I have to do as well is I do have to go in there and add drain holes. I think I'm only going to do one in the back this time, because I think last time the reason that all that rot did happen is because of the drain holes. So I'm only going to do one in the back, because I really don't need one in the front. There used to be storage there, but there's not storage there anymore. So there's really no need to have a second drain within 3 feet of the other one. But yeah, that's about it. We're redoing the carpet next week, and I hope to see anybody who actually made this far into the video next week.